My GT Outpost is a 90s rigid mountain bike. I converted it from a 21 speed to a single speed and removed the front brakes. The parts I added to it are the tires, cranks, pedals, front chainring, chain tensioner, and rear sprocket. The tires I put on it are SE Bike's Cub tire made from all natural rubber. The cranks are a cheap set I found online, but they are very light. The front chainring is a 30 tooth that doesn't have any name or brand on it. The pedals are clipped pedals that I removed the straps from. The rear sprocket is an 18 tooth that replaced my cassette. The things I want to change on my bike in the future is a taller fork, threadless headset conversion, and new wheels. That is all about my GT Outpost. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.